Good morning everyone, this is Bob at Greybeard Models. Hope everybody's well out there. I'm doing this video because my brother asked me to do a comparison between this Wolfpack Catalina and the Revell Catalina. The main difference is the type of Catalina that it is. This is the Catalina 1 and this is the PBY5A. They're actually late. This is a later version of the Catalina. This is a black cat, the famous black cat, and has the famous black cat markings in a typical Revell box end opening. And this one, the Wolfpack one, I've done a review of that on another of my videos. Comparing the two, looking at the two, they both come from Academy. So let's have a look at the parts, compare the parts, and we'll see what I mean. So this is the Wolfpack version, and straight away you can see the difference between the Wolfpack one and the Revell kit. They're exactly the same size sprues. There are similarities between the two, but this one, the Wolfpack one, actually has Academy on there, and the Revell one doesn't, but it's still very much the same tooling, although this is I think this is a different sprue because of the differences between the type of Catalina. As you can see, this PBY5A has a wheel well here, so the parts for supporting the wheels and, you know, like the undercarriage and the sort of the wheel bays are moulded here as well. And same with the nose, it's got a nose wheel bay on that particular one, and the Catalina 1 doesn't have the nose bay, doesn't have the wheels. They had beaching wheels for these, so that, which is really what these parts are, parts for the beaching wheels that were used to just drag the machine out of the water. So that's sprue A. This is sprue B. This is the one from the Wolfpack kit, and this is the one from the Revell kit. And as you can see, they are exactly the same. In fact, they're so much alike. I've actually written on this sprue the letter R, so I know this is the Revell one, just in case I get them mixed up. But they are actually identical, even to the extent that the ejector pin marks on the inside of the wings are exactly the same. The fixings and everything's the same. So that's sprue B, and these are sprue C. Again, they are exactly the same. Mark this one up with an R. Inside the whole, all markings are exactly the same. So it's definitely the same tooling. So sprue C, this is the Revell one, because I've put an R on there, and this is the one from the Wolfpack kit. And as you can see, they are exactly the same part, even down to where this has been blanked out. I think it's possibly where it said Academy. These are the sprue D. Excuse me. These are sprue Ds. They are exactly the same. Again, I've had to mark this one up with the R because that's the Revell one, and that's the Wolfpack one. even down to the point where there's very little detail on the machine guns at all. So yeah, they're exactly the same part. And this is the final sprue. I'll get onto the clear ones in a moment. This is the final sprue. As you can see, there is a significant difference. Space there because there's no parts that go there, and on this one, which is the Revell one, got the random there for the radar, and there's other parts there to do with they look like antenna, that sort of thing. But yeah, this is definitely, you know, the difference between the PBY 5A and the Catalina 1. And finally, the clear sprue. Let's get them both the same way round. This is the one from Wolfpack kit, and this is the one from the Revell kit. And again, they're exactly the same, even to the point where this join here is slightly misaligned, and it's the same there. So even in an insignificant area, they're exactly the same. On this one, you've got a moulded letter E that's on there as well, and on this side it says, you know, there's a letter E and PBY 1/72, and on this one it says exactly the same. And that's so, in terms of construction and tooling, they are exactly the same kit. So I hope that was useful to you all, and you know, good luck out there, stay safe, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.